Today I'm in a small Croatian village called Jasenovac, which lies on the Sava River in a region called Slavonia. And right here where I'm right now was one of the biggest concentration camps in Europe during the Second World War. It wasn't run by Germans, it was run by the Croatian fascist regime called Ustasha and the so-called independent state of Croatia, which was established after the Germans and Italians and other Axis powers invaded the Kingdom of Yugoslavia. And the main victims were ethnic Serbs who lived in the territory of today's Croatia and Bosnia and Herzegovina, Jews and the Roma people. Jasenovac was actually not one camp, but a complex of 5 camps which spread over 210 square kilometers, with this one being the biggest one, called the Brickworks. Unlike the German-run camps, here the prisoners were primarily murdered with blunt objects such as knives, hammers and axes. We still don't know the exact number of victims in this camp. After the Second World War, the Yugoslav government said that an estimated 700,000 people lost their lives here, but newer research and findings suggest that the approximate number of victims was actually approximately 100,000. So for an example, the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum estimates the number to be between 77,000 and 99,000. The two main problems of establishing the exact victim count is that the Ustasha regime didn't follow a thorough documentation on the victims that came here, plus most of the prisoners that came here were murdered directly at the entrance. In April 1945, the Yugoslav partisans were approaching Jasenovac, and the regime decided to kill the remaining 700 women at the camp. The approximately 1,000 male prisoners that remained tried to stage an escape. During the following month, the guards tried to destroy all relevant documents which would indicate on the atrocities that they did here. In 1966, this monument, the Kameni Cvijet, or the stone flower, was revealed, and it was made by the Belgrade artist and intellectual called Bogdan Bogdanovic. And being here gives me a little bit of chills, because just look at this. Here is a place where a lot of people lost their lives unnecessarily.